Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies Patrick Zeinali only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch pan with parchment. Melt dark chocolate with butter gently to avoid seizing. Whisk eggs with sugar until glossy, then fold in dry ingredients and melted chocolate without overmixing. Bake until edges set and center jiggles slightly. Cool completely before slicing for clean squares and better texture. Start by melting chocolate and butter together until smooth and glossy to build flavor and structure. Whisk eggs with sugar until light and ribbon-like to trap air while still keeping fudginess. Gently fold in flour and cocoa until streaks disappear without overworking the batter. Transfer to the prepared pan and tap out large air bubbles. This method balances density and lift for brownies that are rich but not heavy. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to help more recipes reach you. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your kitchen spotless after flour, dust, and crumbs, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free cleanup. It's a handy time saver when baking multiple batches and frees you to focus on recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the batter at a steady temperature and check doneness by a slight jiggle in the center. It will finish as it cools. Remove from oven and allow full cooling to set the crumb for cleaner cuts and deeper flavor. Sprinkle flaky sea salt or scatter toasted nuts on top while warm to enhance contrast and texture. Use a hot, thin knife wiped between cuts for perfect, glossy squares every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.